Hello people, welcome back to BL Animation Studios.
Today we are going to see how to remove hairy object background in Photoshop. First you need to import your picture. Then select lasso tool and draw it around the object. Then select layer and click select and mask option appear in the top, then click select subject. Then click refine hair option, then you can see these options. Then scroll down it and select decontamination option. You can see the final result. Subscribe for more videos.